Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar by tapping on it. After that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event, and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it, pick starting or ending hour, choose add location, pick one of those. The correct one, I will go with that one. Then you need to change color, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, or even take notes. When you're ready, click on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon over here, and making your changes. But after that, you need to choose save again. You can also get rid of your event by clicking on it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete, and tapping on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!